Welcome to the Q&A session 10 from the playlist of electromagnetic induction. This session is in continuation of the session number 9, in which we have studied about the self-inductance of a coil. So based on the session number 9, I have selected one question from one of my books, and the question is: an inductor stores 32 joules of magnetic energy and dissipates it as heat at the rate of 320 watt when a current of 4 ampere passes through it. The time constant of the circuit is equal to. So there are four options here, and we have to find the correct one. Now the time constant uh, is equal to L upon R, where L is the self inductance of the inductor and R is the resistance of it. That is, time constant is equal to L by R. So we have to basically find the value of L and R in order to find the value of time constant. So in the previous session, that is in the session number 9, we have studied or we have learned that the magnetic energy which is stored in the inductor is given by the formula U is equal to 1 by 2 half L I square. And here the inductor stores 32 joules of magnetic energy and dissipates it as heat at the rate of 320 watt when a current of 4 ampere passes through it. So here U is equal to 32 and I is equal to 4. So from here the value of self-inductance or the inductance of the inductor will be equal to 64 divided by 16. So this is equal to 4 Henry. The unit of inductance is Henry. So L is equal to 4H. And now we have to find the resistance of this inductor. Now we know that heat dissipated is equal to I square into R. So here the heat is getting dissipated at the rate of 320 watts. So 320, this is equal to I is equal to 4 square into R. So from here the resistance of the inductor will be equal to 320 divided by 16. So this is equal to 20 ohm. So the time constant of this circuit, this will be equal, which is equal to L upon R. This will be equal to, L here was equal to 4 Henry and R is equal to 20. So this is equal to 1 upon 5 seconds, or this is equal to 0.2 seconds. So the correct option here is A, that is 0.2 seconds. So in this question we were supposed to find the value of the self-inductance of the inductor and the resistance of it in order to find the value of time constant. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session I will again be coming up with a different type of a question from the topic of self-inductance of the coil. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.